In this video, we're going to learn how to add an employee. From Resource Management, we select Employee, and we present you a list of all your current employees. I'll select New Employee. There are 4 or 5 required fields to add a new employee. We designate those fields with an asterisk so you know that those are required fields. For the employee number, it is a number or text. Many of our customers will use that employee number to match up with their payroll system. I'll use alphanumeric and first name. I'm going to bypass the address information and go right to the email. Because we can use software to assign work and inspection deficiencies through email, adding an email gives you those capabilities. Next required field is language preference. If an inspection deficiency is created, we will automatically email that deficiency to the employee designated. We can determine which language that email will go out in. In this case, I'm selecting English. Next, I'm going to enter the demographic field, which is also a lookup, and basically this is the time zone that that employee works in. You can also assign this employee to a role, and you can assign this employee to an existing crew. Throughout the application, you'll see our blue sunburst, which means if that value does not exist, by clicking on this you can add new and that value becomes available to start using. Next, I'm going to select hire information. We can input the onboard date, the start date. This employee is active. When that employee is terminated or no longer with your organization, we can deactivate that employee and they will not be available to assign work any longer. Pricing class is a budgeting rate. So if I am doing quotes or bids and assigning a pay rate and need to come back after we've been awarded that quote or contract, then I know which rate or which employees fall within that rate for assignment. We can enter the actual pay rate for this employee, the actual overtime rate for this employee, and then we keep track of the employee status as well, full-time, part-time, exempt, and non-exempt. Clicking OK will save that record, and this employee is ready to be assigned to jobs and work orders. That is how we add an employee.